So you have clicked on this video, and this means that you want to go to picnic and spend a day in an aesthetic Pinterest style. Then this video is perfect for you. I'm sharing my budget-friendly ideas from outfits to essentials. So let's get this picnic started. The bag decorations. So Pinterest is full with these type of pictures. So let's just DIY a bag. A backpack or a basket is necessary to carry all your essentials and goodies. If you don't have a nice bag, you can just turn an ordinary bag into a Pinterest-inspired bag. Just by putting some chains, keychains, beads, laces or buttons, if you have, you can turn your bag into a cute one. Also, don't forget to add bows on the back handles. I'm also adding small catchers on the handle so it will turn my ordinary bag into a Pinterest-inspired bag. And you can see the final results. In the end, my bag looks something like this. Essential makeup. So for makeup, pack a small makeup pouch with the essential like a light shade blush, a lip gloss or lip balm. Take some ribbons with you so it will help to manage your hairs. A mirror and a sunscreen is also an essential. A quick touch-up can boost your confidence and help you feel fresh and radiant. Even after a few hours in the sun, so keep it simple, keep it natural, and let your natural beauty shine through. Journal supplies. Another creative way to enjoy picnics is to capture your thoughts and inspirations in a journal. Pack a few journal supplies like small diary, some pens, some stickers, glue stick and scissors. I've created so many journal supplies and all of the tutorials are on my channel. Painting supplies. We all have seen in Pinterest that people are painting on picnics. So I'm carrying my watercolors, my cool paint brushes with me. I'm putting watercolors in this cute cylindrical box as it is easy to carry them in this way. You can paint your bags, your t-shirts or stones on picnic and enjoy with your friends. I'm also taking these lights with me as this will give my picnic a cozy touch. You can take candles if you have or candle lights. So let's put all the paint brushes, all the journal supplies in a box. I'm using a rubber band for the brushes. Here are some of the journal supplies that I recommend to take with you on your picnics. These include a nature scenery diary, some diaries, a little amount of stickers, a scissor, and of course a 3-ring binder notebook. Carry a book. As you spread out the blanket and unpack the basket, don't forget to bring along a dear friend. Yes, I'm talking about your favorite storybook. A picnic blanket. A picnic isn't complete without a cozy spot to sit and enjoy your meal. Remember to pack a blanket or picnic mat to spread out on the grass. It's the perfect way to get comfortable and soak up the sunshine. Stay hydrated. Make a refreshing drink or just simply take cold water with you. These water bottles will help you whenever you feel dehydrated, so make hydration a priority on picnics. So I'm taking my water bottle with me. Now it's time to pack all the supplies in your cute bag, and here I'm done with my bag. Let's put this makeup, all the journal supplies, this paint, and of course my favorite storybook. Outfit. And of course you can take inspo from Pinterest like what to wear on picnics. I've collected these pictures for you guys just by adding sunglasses, right amount of jewelry, bows on the hairs. So when it comes to dressing yourself, remember that fashion is a form of self-expression. Choose an outfit that makes you feel confident and comfortable, like a warm hug for your soul. Consider the occasion, your personal style, and the colors that brighten your day. Select pieces that flatter your figure and reflect your personality. Whether it's classic and elegant or bold, when you wear what makes you happy, you'll radiate joy and own the day with style. Take pictures. So photography is another way to enjoy picnics. You can take inspo from Pinterest, like these are some of the pictures, poses that really inspired me. So guys, these were some of the ideas that I've collected from Pinterest. You can share your ideas with me in the comment section down below. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.